welcome to my channel and welcome back to another quick tip Friday. And today's quick tip is about coconut oil and using coconut oil in your hair. So I am a firm believer that most people use coconut oil in a manner that doesn't yield the best results. I've heard a lot of people complain about how coconut oil makes their hair hard, or coconut oil just leaves their hair feeling crispy and crunchy, and there is a reason for that. Coconut oil tends to mimic a protein treatment. It's not necessarily a protein treatment, but it has a similar effect to it. So here's your quick tip. In order to use coconut oil in your hair in a manner that is most effective, so your hair doesn't feel hard and crispy, use it as a pre-poo. Coconut oil can penetrate the strands of your hair to protect it from damage while washing. So that hydro fatigue that you may have heard about, which is basically damage that can occur from your hair swelling and contracting, when you wash it during the wash cycle, this is a reason that you would want to use coconut oil, because it can actually protect your hair from that. And then when it's time to wash, you're washing it right out. So you should not have that drying effect. So anyway, if you like this quick tip, please give it a big thumbs up and I will catch you in the next video. God bless.